Welcome. This is the Tuesday Tablescape collaboration with the host, the Grace Life DIY Home. This week's theme is the sunflower theme. Stay tuned to see how I decorated my table. This open collaboration with the Grace Life DIY Home, when I found out the theme was sunflower, I had nothing sunflower in my home, never bought sunflowers. So I started to design some things myself. Let me show you. This plate, I designed it, and I'm going to show you that how I did that now. And I also added some yellow, and I'll show you how I did that also. And I made the sunflower. Please stay tuned. I just took some paint and just went over some area to get some yellow in this painting. No specific ones, I just went in and did so I can get a little yellow tone in them. Okay, that's how I did that. And the plate, I just took some markers and went in the center, cut off a piece of a green leaf to put in the eye of the center of the sunflower. And then I just began making strokes to make the leaves. And I did. This is my second plate. I'm only doing 2 plates. And that's how I made my sunflower. I want to see. I'll complete it and be right back. Now let's decorate the table using this cream mat. And here are the sunflower plates that I made. Our fork. I'm just using the fork and knife. Here is our glass. Our napkin. And I put this on for the decorative item on the napkin. And the sunflower picture is housed on this side. And as you can see, some yellow roses, plus some green, white leaves. Now let me show you. Here's how the chair is dressed. And now you can see the yellow that I put in this picture to help bring out the yellow that is down on the table and the gold. There is the sunflower that I made. And here is the other one that I had did prior to doing the video. And on this side of the table, it's the same. That's the other sunflower I made by, as you saw, using paint and markers to do the darker center of it. If you're not aware, and most of all you probably are, that there are different colors of sunflowers. Here again of the yellow roses and the greenery and cream. And then I just added that egg over there. On this side, I put my gold and white teapot. And here I have some trees. And then on the center, I have a yellow jacket of mine, actually, that I made as the runner. And put this on top of the runner. And here's what's, I filled it up with water and just let the flowers float down in. As you can see the ones, here it is. See? In the water. So I just have them floating just to do something a little different. I do appreciate you being here. Thank you to the Grace Life DIY Home for allowing me to collaborate. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is Stephanie at Traditional Home.